it's still not possible to do any life drawing. And so I thought it might be interesting to have another look at some of my demonstration drawings from my life drawing classes. These would have taken about half an hour with me stopping and starting to explain things and so on. And the point of the demonstrations is to show a drawing process sort of in operation where you kind of, where it's a process of constant revision. And it's also to get us to think about how lines work, what they might mean, and to think about different ways of seeing. Life drawing has to be done in the physical presence of the person we're drawing, because we're not copying a pre-existing image. We're finding our vision of the thing we're seeing, or that we're in the presence of, through the act of drawing, and constantly being altered by the evidence of the lines. The way the lines have their place and have their effect. There's always another way of seeing something.